This is the 08 stack in the A building. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom open floor plan. You walk in and immediately you have a small little nook area where you can put a small table to hold keys, or you can have an area to take your shoes off, kind of have a shoe rack right here. It also has a hallway closet that you can use for coats or for items that you don't use as much, or cleaning supplies. Directly to the left as well, before you enter the apartment, is going to be your bathroom. It's a full-size bathroom that does have quartz countertop, vanity lighting, and your full-size Whirlpool washer and dryer, and a shower tub combo. You walk into the kitchen area that has a galley-style kitchen with full-size appliances made by Whirlpool, again, stainless steel. You have a regular refrigerator with a freezer that does come with an ice maker. Plenty of cabinet space. It goes into your living room, which you have a decent sized living room, enough to fit a nice couch with a TV center or entertainment center, as well as you do have nice large windows that allow for a lot of light to come through. It leads right into your bedroom that does have a sliding glass wall that also lets in a good amount of light during the daytime, but keeps it nice and dark for you if you wanted to sleep in. You have a ceiling fan in your bedroom, as well as a nice closet space with sliding glass doors with built-in shelving, so you can put things here for easy access, and you always do have the option to add more shelving should you need. You have plenty of space, enough to fit a queen size or a full size bed, with some nightstands or a king size bed if you would like.